Today we're going to do a HWI Vertical baler inspection. We're going to do an overall look of the machine. Your model number, your serial number. If you'll look closely, up top, that's your little hourglass for checking the oil. I personally like to raise the door with the ram down and look at the shaft, make sure nothing broke, any fluids leaking. Guys, if y'all see any of this, you need to report it back to Buddy Lane. Bringing the ram up, it will catch the door and take it up for you. Make sure your E-stop works. Baler will go down. It'll compress the material for an extended period of time, and then it will come back up unless you hit the stop button. Have a good day.